You know I like you, right? Oh yeah, man. I know. So complicated. You want a beer? I have another guy. Yeah. Cheers, bro. There you go. How's it going, guys? This is another video, not about the fishing. I'm gonna a little bit change my channel. It's gonna be like new generation. It's basically the presentation of my video stay like was before. I have some idea, and next time one guy gonna help me. Oh shit, like this. Yeah, I found more useful for me and my hobby. I checked all review Canon Rebel SL3. They're gonna help me to find out with quality of my video. And I also have a like tripod, but probably it's 4 legs. Oh, this is heavy, but this is more reliable. The height almost 2 meters. It's kind of heavy guy, but still. For now, I'm gonna use Canon. And I'm gonna use this tripod instead of my 3 legs and cell phone, which is good. I also have a small gift. It's like flexible tripod for the camera I bought. The small bunny, I'm gonna call him Small Bunny. Woohoo! The guest Small Bunny, good guy, and gonna help me to make my video for you guys better. I was waiting for opening like probably 2 days, and now I wanna share with you guys. I'm gonna open my first impressions and I just wanna touch it. Whew. Oh, interesting. This is made in Japan or no? Ah, as you can see, it's not Japan, so it's made in Taiwan. It's still okay. Probably this price, not really. Oh yeah, I'm gonna read everything here. Oh, whatever. And registration, blah blah blah, chicky picky. You can use the app and you just download on your cloud all picture you have. So like you driving your car at home after your lucky fishing, like me, like I'm doing always. I just download everything on my cell phone and watching at home while I'm resting. There you go, mommy. Woohoo! So we have a battery, a little bit bigger than GoPro. Okay, I'm gonna open it anyway. So I'm gonna buy maybe 5-6 battery also, like the extra, like I have on my GoPro, because sometime I trip. Like for example, previous one for Bull Troll, it was like 11 hours walking. There you go. Where is the camera? Here. I'm gonna take this one. What is it? All right. This is the lens. So the lens I have here, it's 1855 millimeters. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I can feel quality. Oh yeah. And we have a belt, which is good. I almost ordered it yesterday, but I stopped myself like, whoa, probably I'm gonna have it on my box. There you go. Just regular Canon belt. We have a belt. We have a battery. We have a charger for I wish 2 batteries. No, okay, with charger for only 1. So I'm gonna leave it at home. Oh my god. Holy shit. This is my dream, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, yeah, baby. Look at this. Holy shit. Wow. This is probably even over than I need for now, but it's also okay. I mean, like, no complaint. Touch screen. It's very useful for me. I found it, but because I can flip it. Oh, different side. Yeah, I can flip it, and I can see myself when I'm recording, right? So while I'm recording myself, I can see what I'm doing, how this focus here, where is everything nice and cute, blah blah blah, putty la la la. But unfortunately, this camera, I'm gonna use waterproof case. I'm gonna buy it, not yet, because sometimes, you know, like rain coming and you have no choice. I wanna install links. Don't breathe, guys, don't breathe. Oh my god. Oh my god, I never do it before. I hope I'm doing right. Oh, I think it's good. That's done. Oh my god, baby. Woohoo! Holy moly macaroni. Sorry, I can't explain you about setting for this camera. I have to check the manual, but yeah, I can say only one. This is a nice camera for me. Alright guys, so as you can see, the difference is crazy. And look at this size. So this is more professional. And you can even extend this guy, so you can put it here. Quality, so nice. Everything's super adjustable. If I put it on a river, it's gonna be so stable and it will be like so safe from flip over. And you put camera here. And you ground in here. Oh, I found this not really comfortable. The handle on the screw, it's not really a normal size for me. I forgot about this screwdriver. I so like this tripod. It's so cute. Kisa, how are you? Oh, cookie cookie, chicky chicky pookie. There you go, guys. Now I want to show you guys how it looks like and what's the difference. Look at this between. Oh my god. So this is my previous guy. Thank you for video and thank you for your service. And this one, another guy. Hey! This is another guy. I'm gonna use this guy probably a long time.